guys, and welcome back to the channel. Got a bit of a busy weekend this weekend. It's our youngest granddaughter's birthday this weekend, so we've got a party to go to. But as the weather is now starting to turn a bit colder, it's been quite mild so far this November, but it's starting to get chilly out there. So I'm going to nip down to the van today. I'm going to fit the winter vents on the fridge, and we're going to take some of that stuff that was in last week's video down to the van as well, get that stored up in there out the way, and at the same time we'll give you the external tour of the van that we've been promising for a while. We'll catch up with you when we get down there.
I will take two. Somebody forgot the keys. Fiddling with the lock.
Thank you.
Going in.
Oh,
Oh, it's cold in here.
yes, I have it in here.
Bit dark, all the cupboards open.
Yeah, I'll leave that in there. In fact, I'll take that over actually. There we go. Right. Shall we have some light on the situation?
You can do.
Oh, don't tell me that's dead. At all. You know, the main battery's got power. The cab battery.
Oh,
Let's have some lights.
yeah, just open the blinds a bit.
Yeah, open up the blinds. I'll open that one behind you.
Oh, I can't reach.
So we've got some light on the situation.
Right, well, let's just do the bits that we wanted to do to start with.
Yeah.
Right, moment of truth. See if our cutlery drawer fits. Hang on now. I'll get the camera right. There we go.
Take that out of there.
As is. Whoops.
And
All the way around? All the way around? Yeah, that way. Does it fit better that way? How far does it fit to the back? That's to the back. That's then the full capacity. It fits! Yoo-hoo!
that is absolutely really perfect. That.
Good.
Right. So,
Do you want me to? No, I'll be, you know. I'll be how I want it. You know what? You know me.
yes, I know you. You can sort that
Yeah.
out, but that works.
Yay!
No, I don't understand why that is not working. I really don't.
Okay, well, what else did we bring to try out? What else was in your bag of tricks?
Well, we've got the
the toaster, yes. We need to find a home for that. It should really go in the bottom there, shouldn't it?
It should, yes.
Yeah, it'll go next to the kettle.
It will, won't it?
It will.
That'll go next to the kettle. So let's take the little toaster out of there.
Yeah,
Destructions.
with the instructions. That can come back home for recycling. And the frying pan.
Yeah, the frying pan. The frying pan can live there.
Nut. Hopefully. We'll wedge in there. Perfect.
Toaster lives there.
Yeah, perfect. Cupboard's now full. Can't buy anything else.
Okay. Hooks.
Yeah.
Cables I'm going to put in there.
And those few bits of cutlery.
Yeah, if you want to cover which sort out.
Yeah,
And that, which I'll put
Yeah.
in there as well.
yeah,
And leave that box in there.
yeah.
I really don't know why that's not working.
No, I don't.
Oh, right, hold on.
Right, time to pack the. Let's have a look. lot more space and you can actually see what you want to get.
Good. Good.
Yeah. Right, what to do with this? Don't really want to get rid.
No, we'll take it home and put it somewhere.
Yeah, pop it up in the loft with the rest of the stuff. Right,
Right, that's that. Well, at least that's sorted out the drawer.
yeah, now do these fit on here?
Yeah.
Oh, a bit tight there. No, not really.
No.
Slightly too big, but that's all right because I can make extra hooks on that. That's fine.
Yeah, not a problem. Just pop them in a little. You've got a little slot for them there, haven't you?
Yeah, here at the back.
Oh, right, ideal. Find homes for them. There we go.
I can go.
Go and get the fridge vents sorted. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to reach that one. I can reach this one. That clips there, that clips there, that comes off there. Right. Fridge vent. Basically, what you do is you pop that in behind there, and it sits there like that.
Well.
Allegedly. Does it go in there? Does it go in there? No, it definitely goes in there. Move that out of the way. And then that just that clips in there like that. And that goes on there like that. And then you've got that little vent that's got blocks off most of those vents. And that clips in there, and that clips in there, and that's on.
Okay.
So all I've got to do is figure out how to get up there. I need a step. I really do with a step.
Mark, have I got anything in there that you could use as a makeshift step?
Not really. Unless I've got a chair.
Oh yeah, I've got that chair. I don't know how stable it is to stand on.
Oh, let's get it. The lights work. I'll turn the lights on. Right, so let's turn the lights on. There we go. Got some light in here now.
Oh, they've not lit up in all different colours now.
Ah, finally. Sorted.
Maybe it was just because it'd been off for a while.
I don't know, maybe the control panel's packed up. Because I can't turn anything on that. Right, we'll do a quick tour around the outside of the van, just to go where we've got. Let's throw the keys here.
Yeah, not at all. Well, yeah, I've got my handbag in there still.
Yeah, I'm just going to close that door. Okie dokie, outside of the van. I've already shown you the garage there. That's the electric hookup cable, or plug for the electric hookup. That's the wastewater drain. It's just a pull. That's now closed when we're not using the van. That's open. I think, yeah. Yeah, that's open. So we'll leave that open for now. In here, this is one of the one of the things that we insisted on having added for the van. Refillable gas system. We've only got the one tank in there at the moment, but just take that off there, and there's your adapter for filling the gas. Nice and simple. Might eventually, if we decide we need it, go for a second cylinder in there, which we've got the space for if we need it. Have a second cylinder added, but it is the Gasset system we've got in there at the moment. Nice and simple. And it does have the crash sensor. So this thing here is the crash sensor. So if the van's involved in a crash, it automatically shuts the gas off. Right, we'll roll around the other side. Wing mirror protectors. Definite, mate. That's a definite, that. 80 quid rather than 400 quid for a new wing mirror if someone smacks it. Okie dokie. Round this side. Down here. Do this. In here is, that's the switching power supply. It's on. Leisure battery is here, and all the fuses are back there. And I think that's a B2B inverter. That's the B2B there for transferring power between the two. But everything is on there. I don't know whether I should switch that off. Anyone know whether I should switch that off, or I'm just leaving the van for any length of time? Let me know in the comments below. It'd be very, very handy. Don't let the look of that exposed wire there. That doesn't look very...
Right.
But it's out the way and it's not doing anybody any harm at the moment. So... that's that one. And that's that one. So that's the leisure battery all sealed up in there. Fresh water inlet just there. All of us men know exactly what this is because we're the ones that usually end up emptying it. The cassette. Not sure. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's fine. Just leave that in there. It's all locked up. Flue for the heating, just there. Van is filthy, need to get this washed. And obviously in here is the other side to the garage. And just in through that little round hole there is the main drain for the boiler. So basically that is currently open so that if there was any water in the system, it's drained out, or if it does decide it wants to freeze, it's got room to expand and get pushed out. So plenty of stuff in there. Brilliant garage this, absolutely amazing. Keep everything that we need in there. We've got our chairs, tables, box full of stuff, bits and pieces, water hose, electric hookup cable. It's all kept in there, and obviously the thing for the awning, for winding out the awning. And great little thing, these things here, magnetic. So basically, unless there's a really strong wind, that ain't going to swing round and smack you in the face when you're fiddling around in the garage. Lock that up. Okie dokie, everything's all locked up here. So that's basically how we're keeping the van when we're not using it during the winter months. Right folks, after a little bit of messing around, I have finally managed to get this sorted out and it all now works again. A little bit of a pain in the backside to get it sorted, but everything works there now. What I had to do to get that sorted was that wooden box there that's in that cupboard, unscrew that, take that out, which means I can get at the wiring in behind that panel. remove the power from the panel, leave it for a few, as I said, leave it for 10 seconds, then plug it back in, and that resets the van. So it's all reset and it all works again. Happy days. Right, we'll catch you in a bit. Right then guys, that wraps it up for this week. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give us a nice big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ding that notification bell so you know when our next video is going out. Catch you all on the next one.